In 1988, 7 young men near Hyderabad dared to dream beyond their modest jobs. Among them was Srinivas Kavali, a mechanical engineer with a vision to build something of their own. Pooling just 60,000 rupees, they started EQIC Dyes and Moulds Engineers.
We are all 7 directors. We started in a very low profile and we have hired 10 by 10 room with 1 table. Transport was through scooter. Get it assembled at one place and like that we started.
From those humble beginnings, EQIC grew into a world-class enterprise, now employing over 1,200 people and serving sectors from defense to automotive. Their strength? A clear division of roles among partners and a culture of unity.
They see each problem as an opportunity and then they find out a solution out of it, which becomes a lesson for tomorrow and a knowledge bank for today.
Without quality, we can't survive. That's a passion. We don't compromise. If something goes wrong in the cavity building, I'll just scrap it.
Running an MSME is challenging, but EQIC faces obstacles with humility and perseverance.
No day, not even a single day without challenges. It is our mindset, it should take it in a positive way and see that it is resolved.
The journey of EQIC and Srinivas Kavali is a powerful example of how vision, resilience and teamwork can transform dreams into reality. From modest beginnings to becoming a leader in precision engineering, EQIC stands for the spirit of innovation and dedication that fuels India's manufacturing future.
EQIC stands for we have to be economical, quality oriented, we have to improve customer loyalty, we have to be cost oriented. These are the 4 fundamentals we still imbibe on that. Still the journey is continuing.